YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Duck Baba Jakobs, and today I finally reached my first 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I just want to take this moment to thank all of you subscribers, all of your viewers, and all of you who ever had anything to do with my channel, liking my comments, liking my videos, and share with your friends, whatever, comments, engagement. I'm thankful for that. So I started my YouTube channel back in last April during the quarantine. I dropped easiest quarantine self-cut tutorial. Ever since, the rest is history. And I could not imagine myself reaching to 2,000 subscribers within a year. So I just want to thank all of you. And to celebrate this milestone, today I'm ready to start the waves, guys. So look, my hair is growing all over the place. It's getting pretty long. I didn't know what to do with my hair, so I've been watching this like TikTok videos, reactions on like Sir Cruz or 360GZ or like the other guys on Instagram, and they all made it seem easy. So I want to find out. So I'm gonna do the wash style method, and I'm gonna start my straight Asian hair wave journey from right now, day one. So shall we start? Boos. Alright guys, so what I've seen so far from TikTok or like the YouTube videos is that you want to wet your hair first with cold water. I think the important part is the cold water. So you don't want to wet your hair with hot water, you know, you want to stay cold so that your hair gets silky at the end. So, and the next thing, you want to put your shampoo on your head, and I think you're supposed to use like different kinds, like organic or I don't know, some special kinds that's good for your hair, but I'll just use Head and Shoulders. You know, that's all I had, so I'm just gonna use that, and I'm gonna try to make form so that I can start brushing like this. Alright guys, take out your brush and start brushing. And what I've seen so far is you're supposed to use like Waver's brush, but I only had this kind of brush, so I'm just gonna keep using this. And what you want to do is you want to brush away from the crown section of your hair, and you just keep brushing for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 30 minutes. I'm not sure how long, but I just keep brushing and brushing and brushing until like the shampoo and form just goes away. And once it goes away, I add additional shampoo on my head until it start forming again. I keep brushing and brushing and brushing. I didn't know when to stop, and also I'm gonna fast forward this video because it's just me brushing and there's nothing interesting. So, you know, I keep brushing. Just so you know, make sure to hit the subscribe button, please. You know, so that you don't want to miss out any of the future contents on this waves or haircuts or self-cut tutorials or Chinese clipper reviews or something like that. So if you want to stay updated, make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're watching me brushing my own head. So please. Alright, when you're done brushing, I guess it's enough. Put the do-rags on or cap, you know, just so that anything that you can put your hair in place. So this is my first time rag up, you know, so like sorry for taking such a long time. I'll try to be as correct as possible. I'll leave a comment down below if I'm doing it wrong, and hopefully I'm doing it right, just so that the do-rag compresses my hair down, also, you know, stay my hair in place. Also, please share this video to Sir Cruz or 360GZ so they can roast me hard. I want them to just roast me, man. Like, it's gonna be super funny. So just forward them and let them react to my videos, please. And yeah, so when you're done with that, now it's time to rinse off the shampoo on my head. So make sure you use cold water, and you just basically tap on top of do-rag so that all the shampoo remaining residuals just goes away. And after you finish with this, after you rinse out all your shampoo, just air dry it, you know, spend the night over, you know, overnight air drying, and that's it. Alright, good morning everyone. So I slept overnight, you know, just leaving air dry on my hair, and this is like the first day. Let's check. So take this off. Now takes off. Alright. Okay, so it's still... Alright guys, so this is what the first day looks like. I know it looks like a shit. It looks like I'm wearing like a hat, right? Cap or something like that. But this is just an experiment. I'm just gonna keep brushing and brushing and brushing for the next few weeks, few months even. And for that, I'm just gonna, you know, be patient and keep brushing and working on things. But if you don't want to miss this, and if you want to see the update, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so that you won't miss out my newest content. And once again, thank you all for this 2,000 subscribers milestone. I'm super thankful for that, and hope you have a great year. Boos.